my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Merit Beauty and also a demo of the products that they sent me. Happy New Year to everyone. Hopefully you got a chance to see my New Year's Get Ready With Me New Year's Eve video. If you haven't already, I'm gonna link it right here. Definitely go and check out and support the video. You can see how I brought in my new year. I hope that you brought in your new year very happy, healthy, and safe. So let's get to this unboxing. I'm holding it upside down. Merit Beauty. Okay, so if you did watch my video, I'm using my screwdriver to open this, my New Year's Eve with me, Get Ready With Me video. I was supposed to do the unboxing in that video, but I was running out of time, guys. I had to wash my hair. I had so much to do to prepare for the new year, so I didn't get to do it. So I was like, you know what? The ball's about to drop and I'm not about to miss it, so let me not do some things so that I can be able to do some things. So, okay, this unboxing is a little late only because the product was sent to me a little bit late, I think because of the Christmas season, I don't know. But here is what it says inside, Minimalist Beauty. And I have two products, one here. This is Merit Beauty's Flush Balm. This is Merit Beauty's Day Glow Highlighting Balm. So you can use them both on your face, and yeah, nothing else is in the box. It just comes in a box like this, which is cute. The box is all black, and in white it says Minimalist Beauty. So it's for minimalists who don't want too much, and that's perfect for me because when I wear my makeup, I like it to have a natural look. I'm not one who wears makeup all the time. I like my natural face, my natural look, but when I do wear makeup, it's basically to enhance what I got going on a little bit, and I like to keep it as natural looking as possible. I did do an unboxing for Merit Beauty before, which I will link in this video, and it came with this nice little beauty bag, so I'll definitely be putting my goodies in this little beauty bag. This is Flush Balm, and it's for your cheeks, and this one is a highlight balm, I guess, to highlight areas of your face. So let's open up the Flush Balm so we can see, and it looks like that. So this is basically, it says right, that's the color, and then it says Beverly Hills on the back. No, my lighting. There we go. So this is cheek color, and I like that it's in gold packaging. Like everything is gold, and this part here is clear so that you can see the color of it. This is very cute, and it says Merit right here. Really, really cute, really, really bougie, which you know I love. So now we have the highlighting balm, and it comes in this blue packaging with gold writing. Let's open that up. And this is what this one is looking like. It's really nice. I love the packaging. It says Merit right there, and this is like a cream colored case. So this is what it's looking like together. Thumbnail. So let's get to the makeup look for today. I have some makeup eyeshadow palettes that I have not been using, and I'm like, you know what, I need to take these out because I use the same eyeshadow palette all the time, this True Beauty one, but like I'm running out of my favorite ones, as you can see, this one. So I have two by Ari J. She's a small business owner on YouTube. These are not available anymore, unfortunately, but this eyeshadow palette is really nice. I like the fall colors. It's called Fall Daze, which I really, really love. And then she also has a highlight palette called Falling Lights, and it's highly pigmented highlighter palette. And these are the colors there, and they're pretty neutral, natural colors, so we'll see what I can do with that today. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using Color Perfect by Black Radiance. This one is the color Espresso 8429. This one I really love, so this is what I'm using as my foundation. It's a liquid foundation. I'm going to be using this, which is by Merit Beauty, for my eyebrows. And then the last two, I'm going to be using Kharyzma For You lip gloss. This is in the color Auburn Vibes from my Fall Vibes collection. This is from my brand Kharyzma For You. This one I'll also be using. This is a dual eyelash glue as well as eyeliner by my company Kharyzma For You. So you see right there, it's eyeliner and eyelash glue. So if you want to put on lashes, you can put it on as a liner, and then the eyelashes will stick to your eyes. I'm going to be coming with some eyelash looks because I do sell eyelashes on my online store. These two are available on my online store as well. Okay, so I am starting with laying down my foundation, and I'm using the Black Radiance Color Perfect in the color Espresso. Yeah, so I'm just putting it all over my face, over my brows, my nose, everywhere, because I'm going to smooth it out. So normally I just put, dab it a little all the way around my face, all over my face, and now I'm just smoothing it out. So pretty much a very light layer of foundation just to even everything out. I like a nice even look and as close to natural as it can look. So I'm just smoothing it out around my hairline, over my eyebrows, smoothing it all out. And I really love this foundation. I've been using it for a while now. It's very affordable, and it's on my online store. I let underneath my eyes the foundation bake a little bit, and I'm using my sponge to just smooth it out. I usually smooth it out over my eyelids as well, just to keep one ongoing even tone. So I like to smooth it out, and now I'm using my brush to blend it in all the way. So that's how I usually start my foundation process, just blending it in, making sure everything is nice and smooth. And I already had jojoba oil on my face and a moisturizer. I always put that on my face for protection. So now I'm going in with Merit Beauty's eyebrow serum, and I'm putting it over my eyebrows just to make them more bold. I love this. I did a campaign on this one before. I'll definitely link it. And so now I'm just smoothing it out with my brow brush. I'm smoothing it out. Perfect. Now I'm just using a spoolie to brush out my lashes. I don't too much like wearing mascara now, only because it's hard to take off. But I'm gonna work that out. I might start using a clear mascara. So now I'm going in with my REJ palette, the fall, I think it's Fall Daze. And yeah, I'm using natural looking colors. So nothing is gonna be like stand out bright or anything like that. That's the Fall Daze palette. Yeah, I'm just using natural colors that just enhance what I already have, and I'm going underneath my eyebrow line with that just to kind of clean up my eyebrows. I don't thread or do anything to my eyebrows, so when I apply makeup, that's when I kind of try to find a way to clean them up. And that's exactly what I'm doing, using the eyeshadow to put on the top of the brow to add like a nice little subtle highlight. And yeah, and now I'm smoothing it out, and it kind of gives my eyebrows a nice clean look. And so now I'm going over my eyelid with a bronzy type of color, but again, it's all still a natural look. So I'm sticking to colors like the browns and like golden colors like that, and maybe a little bit of red, as you're gonna see. So that is my eyelash eye glue pen, the dual one. It serves as eyeliner as well as lash glue. I just put it to line my eyes. Now this is Merit Beauty's, I got it right here, Flush Balm. So I'm putting that on my cheeks. As you can see, it goes on so smooth, and again, it's really natural looking, nothing over the top. I love the way it gives my cheeks a nice glow. So now I'm just smoothing it out with my blush brush and smoothing it out, and I really love it. I really do. You see, it just gives a subtle pop of color to your cheekbones, so I like that. So now I'm using the Merit Beauty's highlighter, Day Glow highlighter, and I wasn't sure where to put it, but I'm pretty sure like on your nose, above your brows, wherever you want a little bit of a highlight. So I really like the way this look is coming together because I have browns with gold and bronze, so I really like it. I put a little bit under my cheekbones to highlight there, and I really like what I came up with. I have to look at this video again because I definitely want to recreate this look. I see that little glow that it gives. It gives like above the brows and the T-zone area a nice glow, which I really love. So I'm just blending everything together now, smoothing everything out. I really like this look, and that is Kharyzma For You lip gloss in the color Auburn Vibes from the Fall Vibes collection. One of my favorites and one of my customers' favorites as well. And as you can see, it's pigmented, not much, but it is pigmented, gives your lips shine and moisture. It's awesome. And yeah, so that's the finished look. Just combing out my hair, and yeah. Is the finished look, which I really love. I have this glowy, dewy kind of look to my skin, which I really love. Some people, when they go for their makeup looks, they go for a more matte look. I kind of like there to be some shine on my face. I don't know, that's just me. I always like my face to have some kind of, you know, moisturized look to it, so I don't mind shiny looks. Now the balm I really love because it goes on smooth. It's like putting butter on your skin. Like, that's exactly what it feels like, and this is what you saw me put it on. This is what it looks like. As smooth as it looks, that's as smooth as it goes onto your face. And as you can see, it just gives like this nice little blush look to the cheeks. And then you saw me use the highlighter. Now guys, I'm still new to certain things with makeup, but I was guessing that you highlight here, like your T-zone and stuff like that, and your cheekbones. I just put a little bit, and I think it works. I think it works. And definitely with REJ's Fall Daze palette, these fall colors definitely matched the colors of the Merit Beauty as well as the highlighter, because this one had like this kind of color right here. So I think it really went well. Merit Beauty Products, so far so good. I like them because, again, this is like a minimalist look, which works perfect for me, and I would definitely recommend it for those of you brown skin girls who don't like to have so much on your face. Like, you don't need all this drama on your face. You just want a little bit of light coverage, you know, to give yourself a little extra something, even though you don't need it, but you want to do it. And yeah, so I definitely recommend these. I will leave the link in the description for their website. Again, this is Merit Beauty. This is REJ's Fall Daze eyeshadow palette. This is no longer available because it came out like 2 seasons ago, but she does have some other palettes on her website for that are on clearance right now, so you may want to go check them out at REJ Cosmetics. I think it's made by REJ.net if I'm not mistaken. I'll leave it in the description. And of course, you saw my Kharyzma For You lip gloss, Auburn Vibes from the Fall Vibes collection. I love. And just so you guys know, just because it says fall, it doesn't limit you to wear it in just the fall, because these colors, you can wear them year round. But I love fall vibes. You see how it looks on my lips? I love this auburn color. It's shiny, it's glossy, your lips stay moisturized. This is at kharyzmaforyou.com, as well as the eyelash glue / eyeliner pen. I love this. A lot of my customers love this too because of the bling on it, and the rose gold, and the fact that it serves as an eyelash glue as well as an eyeliner for your eyes. And guys, when I wash this off, like I use the wipes to wipe off my face when I do wear makeup, and it comes off really easy. And yeah, that's it. So check out kharyzmaforyou.com for these two goodies, and also check out my website. I'm doing a whole relaunch, so I will be having new products up soon on my website, but for now you can still go on there and get the lip glosses that are available. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma For You Style, which is my style page, and Kharyzma For You Fashion, where you will see my lip gloss and other business ventures. Go to my website, kharyzmaforyou.com, for cosmetics and other goodies, as well as my Etsy shop for hair accessories like satin bonnets, satin head wraps, all types of natural hair headgear, and straight styles as well. Etsy.com/shop/kharyzmaforyou. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all.